Okay, just got the Zs190 in. As you can see, big box. That's the motor. Here's a small box. Got all the accessories in it. So let's open it up. Sweet. Okay, basically got the CDI, obviously the coil, and this here looks like a relay. Yeah, that'd be the starter solenoid relay, I'm guessing. That would make the most sense. This would be the sprocket cover. That's what that is. I'm going to leave that in the package. Don't know what the heck that is. Okay. Got the lines for the oil cooler. Banjo bolts and washers for a set of oil cooler. That's cool. There's a rectifier. Let's get the knife again. This is torture doing one-handed. I totally got to get a stand. Oh crap. There's our intake manifold, along with the gasket and spacer and all that good stuff. So that's a good thing to have. And if I had to take an educated guess, I'd say here's our little knockoff carby. Yep. Here's our little knockoff. Well, you know, don't look too bad, if I do say so myself. And I got a Mikuni flat slide to put on here, so. But, you know, that's not bad. I will say that. Let's take a look at the oil cooler, shall we? See if it's got the big cage on it. Well, that's cool. it's all black instead of that ugly chrome. Probably because I got a black motor. I can deal with that. That's not bad. Better than I thought on that one, for sure. Okay, now we're just going to stuff all this back in the box on the old freaking way because I can fix this later. Okay. Let's move that to the side. Now, let's open up the big box. Well, one good thing, they certainly package these pretty frickin' swell. Wait, I take that back. It looks like UPS kicked it down the street with all the styrofoam busted into pieces like this. Like, holy crap, man. Well, apparently it's a good thing that, you know, they put foam in there. That's for sure. Yeah, gear shifter. Isn't too bad. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I mean, obviously it isn't going to be like top level chrome, but it's certainly better than I'd hoped it would be. I was expecting that fine Chinese quality, you know. That top shelf chrome job. Not. Surprised it's chrome at all. How about that? Kicker's pretty nice. Although I can't use this for my application. But it is nice and I will hang on to it. That's for sure. Nice and heavy too. Got some nice weight to it. Hopefully they used a good Chinese steel with that. Okay, now should we start stuffing some of this foam back down in the hole? Good old utility knife. So far, so good, man. It looks pretty good. Well, I just wanted to make this so anybody who purchases one now knows what to expect. And I mean, this is kind of silly. I mean, whose frickin' idea was that? Somebody's got to have a talk with frickin' Sue Young and tell her don't tie the vent hose and knots. You know, bad for business right there. But I mean, it looks good. Box wasn't soaked with oil, which is a frickin' plus. You know, I'm pretty happy, to say the least. Everything looks real good. Alright, folks. That's just a quick unboxing of the new Zs190. Now I am going to do a video. I'm going to take it apart to see if they implemented the shift star fix or not. So stay tuned for the next vid, because that will be the next one. We're going to find out if it's true or not. Thanks for watching. Take care, guys.